Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Top Tech and Investing here, back today with another video. As you can see, our account's reaching new highs. You just reached the first checkpoint. Yes, sir. Let's get it. Above and beyond, baby. Let's go to 10K. So today I reached 2000, above 2055. We're killing it. Today I actually had a crazy recovery. So in the morning, you can see here, we went to market open. We dipped. NIO was down around 10 a.m. We hit a low of 1650. I considered closing my BA contract. You remember the BA I got for 299? Let's look at history. Yes. The buy, the 250 call for January 15th. I bought it at 299, and look how much I sold it at. I sold it at 685. That's insane. More than almost a $400 profit, 386 to be exact, $386 profit. It's insane, and that's basically more than the gains I got today. So it by far just absolutely boosted my account hella. But yeah, then Boeing, if you can see Boeing right here, Boeing started to ramp up in the morning. Yeah, as you can see, it dipped around 10. I held on, luckily. I sold out of my 250 call around. I actually timed the top. I timed it for some odd reason. I timed it. I sold that around 210 and 210 and 30 cents, and it kind of went back down to 208, high 207. So wow. And then I double dipped. I'm double dipping. Yes, I know. I love double dipping on NIO and Boeing. Usually when I double dip, it hurts me, but I don't know. I've been getting really lucky. So I bought the Boeing 260 call for December 18th. I bought it at 295, so I'm already up $10 on it, 3%. It's good. Theta isn't bad, $15 a day. I'm fine with it. Theta isn't bad. Volume is decent, so I'm fine. I'm fine with it. And we actually have a lot in cash. We have an incredible amount in cash now. We have $700 in cash after I entered that Boeing position. So we're sitting on tons and tons of cash just in case anything happens. I wanted to do this so that when I grow my accounts, I have enough, or I store enough cash so that it basically is equal to my original cash balance, right, on the account, or not cash balance, the one that I started with. So you can see I started around 850, around 900. So I want to keep that in cash from going on forward. So when I hit around 2,000 to 3,000, I'm going to keep 900 cash at all times, just in case anything happens. You don't want to bet your whole portfolio. You don't want to overtrade. Overtrading definitely kills a lot of people. It's killed me in the past. I definitely regret overtrading sometimes. Chasing plays, double dipping, that's a big no-no. I've learned to kind of reduce that. As you can see, I double dip on Boeing. Sometimes I double dipped on NIO even, but NIO's ramping down. Ooh, it almost hit 50 today. It's ramping down to 466. $46. Yeah, I've actually double dipped on NIO quite a few times, but just because this stock is monstrous, it saved me. Like I'd maybe double dip here, right? I'd buy it at the low and it'd ramp up that day, and I'd just sell out, right? I mean, NIO is a completely different beast. It's a monster. But let's get into how I'm gonna play NIO earnings. So how I'm playing NIO earnings is I'm buying debit spreads with my $50 call. It was really risky. The IV is insane with NIO just because of all the hype. The IV is absolutely nuts. IV is like 200%, 250%, 150%. It's insane. So the contracts are definitely inflated like hell. So I bought debit spreads just to combat this. Debit spreads are not prone to theta and are not prone to IV crush, really. So theta won't affect it. Yeah, and theta was the biggest thing as well. Since I was playing weeklies on the $50 call, theta was a big factor. So debit spreads are not prone to theta. They're going kind of crazy right now. I bought one put a debit spread and then two call debit spreads. So I kind of do this to balance it out. So I'm more bullish on NIO and their earnings. So that's why I bought two of these. Or no, I bought three because I bought two at the $52 and $53 strike prices. So I bought three call debit spreads and one put debit spread. So just in case NIO does happen to drop, I don't lose as much since I have this put debit spread. I'm thinking of buying a put. I'm still kind of hesitant. I might buy a put and just hang on to it. You know, if NIO does beat earnings and it's up big, my debit spreads will more than cover it. My shares will more than cover it. This debit spread as well. I still have this debit spread to cover it. I'll have a lot of backups that I can gain money out of NIO popping, but I don't have that much security if NIO drops. A lot of my account is into NIO right now. Not as much as before. Before it was insane. When I had the $50 call, more than half my account was into NIO. Now it's a little bit less. As you can see, I have 10 shares of NIO, so that's let's approximate $500. And then I have these, which if we check the last price, that's 50. That's 68. That's 80ish. So I don't have too much into NIO right now, which is good. I cut down. I'm still holding on to my shares long and strong. But anyways, that's it, baby. I just wanted to show y'all the portfolio review real quick, how I'm doing midweek. It's Tuesday. How I'm going to be playing NIO earnings, what I'm doing with Boeing as far as that call. I'm still going to hold on to it. I think Boeing can still pop even more to 220. If it reaches 220, 223, I might sell out and take my profits on this call. But Boeing's just been doing amazing. As you can see on the week, it dipped or last week, yeah, it was at 177 a dip. This morning it dipped low. I wish I bought calls, but what can you do? You can't tell the future. But then it dipped. I held on, so at the top, I'm solid. But yeah, these are my plays. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know your thoughts on the video. Did you like it? What do you want to see on the channel? Love y'all. We've rocketed past 25 subscribers. Thank y'all so much. 25 of you guys are watching me. I appreciate you guys, each and every single one of you guys. But don't forget to use my Robinhood referral link down in the description below. Tell your mama, your daddy, your grandma, your grandpa, your big brother, your sister, your little brother upstairs chewing on the spoon to use my referral link, baby. Anyways, I'll see y'all. I'm excited. I'm excited for what NIO's going to come out with. It's going to be insane. But anyways, have a good day. Peace.